Since 2001, one word has defined us: evolution. That first step wasn't just a beginning, it was evolution in its purest form. Every project, every detail, every achievement has always been evolution. Evolution revealed in bold design, and evolution built into cutting-edge technology. Evolution reflected in enhanced safety, and evolution shining through ever greater performance. From one creation came new achievements. From an initial flight, others took shape, each born of the same essence, expanding horizons, a momentum that caught on, strong and unstoppable. Evolution was never confined. It crossed borders, built partnerships, broke barriers, and opened new paths. And the feeling we carry from this journey is what drives us to keep pushing for innovation, fueling the evolution of every aircraft still to come. Texas Aircraft and In Pair, evolution without limits.